It's quite simple, really. A heat network is just like a central heating system for a city. We're taking heat that's naturally available from places like the harbour, water and air, and pumping it around the city to people's homes and businesses.
We provide a reliable supply of hot water into the building, but instead of a boiler, you've got a heat interface unit. So all that does is it transfers the energy from the hot water in the pipes in the ground to the hot water in your radiators.
Fossil fuel emissions are having a devastating impact on the climate. The vast majority of people's heat these days comes from gas boilers.
We have 26 million gas boilers in this country.
And we're still installing them about 1.5 million a year.
And that is not the answer to decarbonising our planet.
In a world where we're not using fossil fuels, how do we heat our homes? And that's the challenge that we need to address. The heat that we need is all around us. There's an abundance of it in our cities and in our urban environment. London wastes enough heat to heat itself just through the stuff that we chuck out into the atmosphere, through air conditioning systems and the treatment of our waste. What we do is we look to tap into and capture those sources of heat and move it to where it's useful.
We generate our heat in energy centres, and they can be a range of different types of heat generation technology, from heat pumps, capturing heat from industrial processes, from data centres.
We are agnostic as to sources of heat, so we can take waste heat from the air, from water, from the ground.
Energy from waste is currently the best solution we've got as a country to dealing with the huge amount of waste that we create. If we were to put it into landfill, it would biodegrade, creating methane, which is really, really bad for the environment. Incinerating it, what you get from that is you generate a huge amount of electricity, and then there's a load of waste heat that can be captured. And so there's a real opportunity for us to do that.
We're currently working with a number of energy from waste plants to take waste surplus heat from those recycling facilities. All that heat at the moment goes straight up the chimney, but we can take some of it, recycle it, put it into our hot water pipes and deliver it to your home.
When you're served by a heat network, you're served by an energy system that is providing you with resilience, because we're not reliant on one source. For me, that means that you've got a system serving customers which is future-proofed, reliable, low carbon, fairly priced heating and hot water.
It's really important to us that we build networks that are flexible and that can evolve and develop over time depending on the sources of heat that are available.
Vattenfall's mission is to help society break the reliance on fossil fuels. It's the biggest impact that we can make on the planet.